Can headsets replace smartphones and computers? Apple has announced its first major new product since 2016, the mixed reality headset Vision Pro. Mixed reality means that the user's real environment is mirrored on tiny screens but digitally enhanced. Apple envisions a future where we use digital apps. In our real work environment, for example. The system works without controllers and reacts to hand and eye movement and voice commands. Also, video calls are possible. The glasses create a digital persona of the user. Competitor Meta's Quest goggles isolate the user from the people around them. To avoid that, the Vision Pro displays the wearer's eyes when someone is nearby. Costing more than 3,200 euros, the goggles will mainly attract professionals and die-hard Apple fans for now. But within a few years, experts expect mixed reality goggles to partially replace smartphones or even computers. Do you see yourself wearing a pair of these glasses?